The LUC Series Oil Purifier can not only be used as a special equipment for injecting new oil into the hydraulic system, but also can be used as a special equipment for regularly filtering pollutants in the system medium. The system works normally. The mobile oil purifier produced by our factory not only has reliable performance, compact structure, beautiful appearance, convenient maintenance and use, but also has the advantages of high precision and low noise. The filter element in the fine filter can be freely selected from 1 to 40 micron according to the different needs of users. The filter effect can be achieved by changing the filter element with different filtration precision. The mobile oil purifier only filters the impurities in the oil, and the all technical indicators are not affected.